yours and your designation and everything about it.
Okay. Start na?
Yep.
Well, my name is Ronald Lim. I am the founder, president, and CEO of Lancaster Group of Companies. Lancaster Group of Companies is a holding company of several companies that's under the group. We have the hotel. We have Lancaster Hotel Manila. We have Lancaster Stucco Corporation. It's a product that finishing material for construction. It is presently very popular amongst high-end architects. We have the wellness company, wherein our advocacy is hydrogen wellness. This is very exciting because we want to bring in to every Filipino household the hydrogen water dispenser for everybody to benefit from the hydrogen wellness. We can talk about that separately later on. So basically, we have an animation company called Kenkoy Animation. It is designed to promote animation as a profession for our Filipino people. There is about $400 billion industry globally, and our Filipinos are not really aware that you can, for those artistic and very good in drawings, they need to be trained to use the computer to do animation, and they can actually look at this as a lucrative career. So I believe that if we promote the animation industry, it could enlighten a lot of Filipino artists. We are also, that company is also a member of the Animation Council of the Philippines, ACPI. And then we have other restaurant business. We have leasing business. So we have several under the Lancaster Group of Companies.
And as of now, sir, this is the main office?
Yeah, this is the main office of Lancaster Group of Companies. And we are focusing on launching the wellness product, which is a hydrogen-rich plus terahertz water dispenser, hot and cold dispenser that has installment program so that the families can use it and enjoy the benefit while they are just amortizing it.
Okay. Sir, what are the difference of this hydrogen, this water, dun sa mga karaniwan po na nakikita lang po natin?
Okay. Generally, it's if you hear of the miracle water found in Our Lady of Lourdes, and there are other sites of miracle water in Mexico, in Germany, in India, in Pakistan. They're all healing waters. You know, the common denominator is this water is high in hydrogen concentration. That's actually the common denominator or the science behind the miracle water. So nowadays, we can actually produce the hydrogen-rich water through electrolysis and bring it to the comfort of your own home. So that's exactly what we're trying to do. We're bringing it to the Philippines. We want the Filipino people to be informed and educated about the benefit and make it available in their household. So how does it work? Our body is composed of about 70% water. And water sign is H2O, two hydrogen element and one oxygen element. Because of the free radicals around, because of our lifestyle, pollutants, food, stress, the free radical can enter our body and damage our cells. So sometimes you can hear it's called the free radical cells. Free radical cells sign is OH. One oxygen, one hydrogen. So the medical description or technical description is if you take a lot of hydrogen-rich water or inhalation, because there's also an inhalation device, to your body, it's supposed to be able to penetrate your cells. So when it penetrates your cells, your OH becomes H2O. So it normalizes or repair the free radical cells and make it a normal cell again. So that will take you away from further damaging your other organs when they multiply. Why can they now penetrate your cell? Because hydrogen element is the lightest and the smallest element in the universe. It is the only element that can penetrate the cell. So when you have a lot of hydrogen-rich water in your daily lifestyle, it can penetrate your cell and repair or normalize your free radical cells or your damaged cells. So that's the difference with hydrogen-rich water and the normal water that we drink.
Kumbaga po, hindi lang po siya pangkaraniwan na dispenser ng water.
Yes, this dispenser, we have two types. One is bottle loaded, meaning mineral water na nasa bottle ang nilalagay mo, and then ipoprocess niya to make it hydrogen rich with terahertz. Itong sa amin pala, may terahertz, which can help your cells also aid your cell in healthy living. The other one is total reverse osmosis filtration, wherein the device or the dispenser will be tapped into your tap water, and then the tap water will be converted to alkaline water, 8.0 pH, and then the alkaline water will be processed into hydrogen-rich of 3,500 ppb, parts per billion, and then plus the terahertz device of 10,000 nit. So that will help your cells, your body, recover and repair your cells.
Bali po, ang product po mismo is water o yun pong mismo machine?
It's a machine
Okay.
that produces hydrogen-rich water.
Okay. Sir, bakit gusto niyo po ito na isalin sa isang pelikula? Why you want this to translate to film?
Yeah, well, kung kasi magagawa siya sa film, it's one form of information campaign, information drive. Kasi bago mo maintindihan yung beauty ng product, you need to know the content and the context behind that product. So, syempre, kailangan nating i-educate yung tao na merong ganito. See, the science and the technology of this hydrogen producing machine is available in other countries, except for the Philippines. So when I saw it, I said this could be taken to the Philippines and to be enjoyed by the Filipino people, so that we can stay away from illness, stay away from hospital. So gusto ko sana siyang gawan ng kwento, ng pelikula, or even short documentary para maintindihan ng tao. And we are using, by the way, a superhero as an icon. I called it, I created the superhero out of, kung mapansin nyo yung harap ng Lancaster, the logo, is a horse na may knight na nakasakay.
Yes.
So ang ginawa ko, pinababa ko yung knight lang, ginawa ko siyang superhero through my animation company. Ginawa namin siya ng superhero that I called Hydrogen Man. So, Hydrogen Man will be known, will be introduced to the public, will be shown to the world through the help of AI. Also, it will be ang kanyang role ay to keep people from getting sickness. So the Hydrogen Man, nagpagawa rin ako ng costume, ng mascot na pag sinuot mo yung costume, it will be Hydrogen Man. So hopefully, makilala sa buong mundo about Hydrogen Man that and the beauty and the benefit of hydrogen to our body.
Sir, ano po mismo yung type ng film? Documentary siya, animation siya, narrative?
Well, it could be several, no? Pwedeng pag-documentation, pwedeng short lang yan. Pwedeng narrative, parang journal report lang yan. Yung isang ultimate na-envision ko, parang true to life story kasi ito ko.
Okay.
I was able to recover from liver problem through stem cell and hydrogen medicine. So, nung gumaling yung aking condition, I thought of making this as a Thanksgiving for the extended life and promote it para maraming taong makinabang sa murang halaga. Just buy the device and make it into your part of your lifestyle and you can protect the whole family. The target market will be the whole family. Gusto ko sana ma-enjoy ito ng buong pamilya ng mga Pilipino. So, again, going back to your question about the movie, ang na-envision ko rito ay parang Batman. May pinanggalingan, I have a hotel, na walang magagawa yung sa Batman, Wayne Enterprise. Walang magagawa yun pagka, like ako, kung nagkasakit ka, walang magagawa yung hotel, walang magagawa yan kung hindi mo So, gusto kong ipakita na nag-create tayo ng Hydrogen Man para ma-promote siya, makita ng tao yung kanyang benefit, and then mapag-usapan, and then matatak sa bawat Pilipino, bata man, matanda. So this is a universal product that has no limits on age, gender, kahit ano bang gender mo, kahit anong edad mo, kahit anong lahi mo, your color, kahit anong it's universal, everybody needs it to help your body be repaired and be fixed and be fit, you know. So yun yung magiging part of life. It's not a miracle in such a way na pag isang inom mo, galing ka, no? You have to make it part of your lifestyle. So that's our intention and our goal, to bring it to the household of the Filipino people. By the way, naglagay kami ng program ng through credit card para zero interest payment. So for as low as mga 2,000 monthly lang.
Ano pong rate?
Ilang months yan po?
36 months, 2,000 a month, included na yung lahat ng... So parang lease to own ka lang and then the whole family can use the hot and cold water machine.
Ano pong price range niya, sir?
Price medyo sa gano'n eh. All in nasa 60. Kung kumpara mo to sa Kangen na 200,000, ito mga 60, 70,000 pataas. Iba-iba kasi...
Meron na po kayong itsura ng mismo machine?
Yes, I can give you the photos later on.
Saan siya available na ngayon?
Available yung ibang, yung mga pinagawa kong machine will be coming in the next couple of weeks. Pero yung mga ibang, like the bottle, meron kasi itong bottle, merong face mask, merong eye mask, merong mist sprayer, parang instead na Evian. Ito yung hydrogen water ang pinapang-hydrate mo sa skin. And then dinemo na namin ito, tinrayan namin sa baby na nagra-rashes, tanggal ng rashes ng baby. So, even yung mga newborn babies, pwedeng bilhin ng mother, pag minsan ang hirap mo control yan, natatanggal niya. Yes, afterward, the mother can use it. It's for the face mask. Ito yung mga hydra treatment sa mga derma. Ito, pag meron kang face mask sa bahay mo, everybody can use it. So, lumalabas yan, napakamura kasi lahat pwedeng hulugan eh. Pwede swipe of credit card, up to 36 months to pay.
Sa Lancaster nila kukunin, sir?
Dito yung store sa Lancaster.
Sir, meron din kayong amenity na ganyan sa shower, di ba?
Yeah, meron kaming shower head, di ba yung sinasabi nila sa Lourdes. Our Lady of Lourdes, puta ka rin, maliligo, lulublob ka, tapos dito, ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa mga hotel rooms. I think about 60 plus hotel rooms ay equipped with hydrogen-rich shower. So pag nag-check-in mo kayo sa Lancaster, maliligo kayo sa hydrogen shower.
Bongga.
So, actually, in Europe, meron yung tinatawag na hydrogen tablet. So, yung hydrogen tablet, pagka nasugatan ka, parang Alka-Seltzer bubula pag nilagay mo sa tubig. Tapos, yung water niya, pag nilagay mo sa sugat mo na dumudugo, titigil ang dugo. So, tapos yung iba, matitira, inamin mo. So, it's being used for I think, siguro 2 decades.
Universal po talaga.
Pero hindi alam ng Pilipinas. So, our role is to bring the information to the Filipino people and then make the products available locally. Tapos, merong 1-year warranty lahat ng device. Tapos, may installment program para ma-afford ng tao. So, meron pa kaming isang ginawa. I decided to give tithing. 10% of what we will make as a company will be donated in mga poor areas in the form of hot and cold water devices na. Para i-donate ko na lang maybe sa mga center, sa mga baka barangay hall, na hindi, alam ko hindi makakabili, so that the poor people can have access to the water. So, that's also our way of sharing to the poor people and poor communities.
Oh, so kumbaga yung machine na yun, i-input na lang po din yung mga binibili po natin na tubig, mineral
Yes.
waters.
Or yung iba, yung dalawang machine, isang machine, pwede mong ilagay sa tap water, may filter na
Yung
sarili.
mismong sa gripo?
Sa gripo. Yes, may sariling filter. So hindi ka na bibili ng 5 gallons. Pwede, may gano'n.
Diretso na.
Diretso. Tapos every 6 to 9 months mo papalitan yung filter. Pero, in the middle of the night, nawalan ka ng tubig. Problema, yung 5 gallons, di ba? Tsaka yung 5 gallons natin, yung ganong model natin, bottom load sa ilalim lang, hindi mo na kailangan buhatin. Sa ilalim lang sa labas na. Pero, meron kaming model na reverse osmosis filtration. Yun, diretso na sa tap water mo, siya lang mag-filter on its own.
Sino napipisil mo, sir, na maging hydrogen man?
For now, wala pa. We are in the process of talking about the film, but for now, basically the movie is a true to life story of myself, and then it has the content. It has one content: the benefit of hydrogen wellness. It is universal, so we have a exclusive from my manufacturer. We have exclusive distribution contract within Southeast Asia. So we are not only going to take this in the Philippines, but we are taking this to the other Southeast Asian countries. Wala pang decision sino mag-play ng role nung ano, pero it's in the process para makita natin later on kung sino ba talaga yung babagay na portray ng hydrogen.
Correct.
The costume will be available next week.
Wow.
For your viewing. Pwede namin kuna ng video yan. We put it out in the social media. And you will soon see lots of advertising and promotions and presence in the social media of this product, of this company.
May screenplay na po kayo sa
Wala pa, yung dinidebate pa ngayon yung storyboard eh. Kasi pwedeng yung pag information lang, mas maiksi lang.
Pwede naman po halo.
Pwedeng halo, oo. So we are still in the process of debating. Kasi sabi ko nga, before we even start the movie, kapain natin kung ano yung magiging relevant sa mga tao, yung hanapin, then doon natin dalhin yung kwento.
Ano pong target niyo po for this film? Cinema release or online lang siya?
Online and hopefully Netflix kung it will be allowed. Maraming minimum requirement ng Netflix. So titingnan natin kung kakayanin ng budget pag ni Netflix natin. But definitely yung local social media, online, lalabas yan. Baka excerpts of the film per product, per incident, ilalabas natin.
At malaking tulong din po yung gaganap siguro for the marketing.
Yung kilala.
Yes, para medyo kilala. Dalawa kasi, no? We talked about it. Sabi ko, pag yung kilala na, pwede makahatak. Pero sometimes, like the Avengers,
Hindi kilala na pwede.
hindi kilala talaga nilalagay
Pwede
nila para
makikilala.
then doon siya makikilala. So dalawa yung pwedeng sikat na or pwedeng pasisikatin mo pero may potential.
Gwapo, hunky. ganun.
Yung karamihan ng Avengers natin na lumabas yung mga hindi mo kilala eh. Except for Iron Man. Siya kilala natin si Robert
Si Snow White
Downey.
din. Si Snow White.
Diba? So, dalawang approach eh. Ayan, we'll see. Kasi pwede rin si Hydrogen Man, medyo fresh. Hindi pa kilala pero bagay talaga.
Pero bukod sa movie, meron po kayong iniisip na maging ambassador or endorser nitong product.
Si Hydrogen Man na endorser. Siya yung, ang ginawa ko kasi, the reason why I created Hydrogen Man is for it to be attractive. Imagine mo, maglalakad ka sa mall. Siyempre, pag artista, pagliligonin. Pero yung ibang hindi lilingon, hindi kilala yung artista.
Pag mascot.
Pero pag mascot, lilingonin na lahat.
Kahit bata.
Kahit matanda. Tapos, ano pa, hindi mo pwedeng i-bash. Kasi hindi naman siya tao.
Like Jollibee.
Diba? Like Jollibee. Hindi mo pwedeng i-bash. Wala naman siyang magbabago sa, hindi naman siya tatanda eh. Wala naman magbabago sa kanyang lifestyle. Wala siyang magagawang scandal kasi hindi naman siya tao eh. So it's a cartoon character. It's a superhero.
Kaya meron din po kayong animation for it. Kumbaga, yung mga makikita natin.
Merong animation, yes.
Animation.
So in fact, some of our social media campaign ads would be, most of it will be anchored by Hydrogen Man. So kumagalo si Hydrogen Man, kinakausap yung mga tao, mga families, gano'n.
Sir, ano po ano niya? Anong superpower ni Hydrogen?
Lumilipad siya, powered by hydrogen.
Oo.
The future flying cars will be powered by hydrogen. So, maraming
Lumilipad siya, tapos may sasakyan din po siya lumilipad.
ngayon wala pa, pero pwede kasi yung mga sasakyan. Kasi kung lumilipad siya, hindi mo na kailangan ng sasakyan.
True.
Siya na mismo, yung
Si
power
Batman
niya
kasi di lumilipad
nasa
siya.
nasa siko, dalawang siko at sa dalawang legs, gumagano. Alam niyo yung lumilipad na powered by the boat? yung speedboat, tapos lumilipad yung tao, may hose. Parang gano'n. Pero ito walang hose. Dahil pag may hydrogen na, lilipad na siya. So, lahat ng content and pinanggalingan ng pati ng power niya is real. Hindi siya science fiction. Meron talaga
Hydrogen.
pinanggalingan which is just the hydrogen.
Kasi si Superman yung ano eh. Ano yun?
Kryptonite. So well, hopefully, mapansin ito ng Hollywood, malay mo, yung next na makasala sa Avengers na hydrogen man, Philippine made. Ipopromote din namin ito sa mga schools. So, there will be, sabi ko nga sa inyo, universal product siya. There will be different colors that you would see may hydrogen man. Kung sa Lasal, green and white. Yung color ng costume niya. Pag Ateneo, blue and white. Pag FEU, green and yellow. Pag UST, yellow and white. So, gagawa kami ng several costume that we can use. Kasi lahat ng may coat of arm yan, kung anong coat of arm ng school. Yung logo ng school. So that itong magbubuklod ng mga eskwelahan, the unifying factor will be hydrogen man wearing different colors and the color of the school. So, medyo may ganun kami para ma-educate yung mga estudyante at yung mga parents ng estudyante at yung mga alumni ng estudyante about the wellness of hydrogen.
Sir, kumbaga, what's your final message po to everyone? Paano po sila makakonsume ng product? At saan po siya available? Paano po yung mga nasa ibang lugar? Malalayo po rito sa Lancaster? Paano po sila makakapit?
Okay. For everyone, we are excited and glad to introduce our hydrogen wellness devices, products. Starting from yung highlight talaga natin yung hot and cold water dispenser that can produce alkaline water 8.0 pH, hydrogen rich 3,500 ppb, and terahertz that is 10,000 nit. We will bring this to your home. We made it so available in the Philippines, is so affordable, up to 36 months to pay. All major credit cards, we have accredited with all major credit card. So, pwedeng credit card payment. It could be viewed in Lancaster Hotel, here at Lancaster Hotel Manila. Address is 622 Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. This is where the showroom is. You can view the items and then you can pay it, amortize it through credit card. For those people who will pay a straight payment, we give a generous discount and for cash payment. And then this could be shipped to your wherever you are. For now, it's NCR, but we can ship this also to Visayas and Mindanao. Now, later on, we will be opening offices, showroom in Visayas, Cebu in particular, Davao, and then we will be getting accredited distributors around the Philippines for you. So watch out, and all we want is for the Filipino families to enjoy the benefit of hydrogen wellness and stay healthy and be away from illnesses and hospitals.
Sir, how about sa online na isa-shop nila?
So online shop, meron din. It's being processed. Siguro lahat ito will be available next month, July, that you can buy through online. You would also, for the credit card holders, you would receive advertising promotions from each bank BDO, Metrobank, Union Bank, BPI, RCBC, they will also, we have an arrangement of co-marketing, so to promote awareness and information. So you would receive several advertising materials from your credit card companies.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Information po.
Okay, thank you for your support.